Well, hi there. Welcome back to Carol's Sale Action Plan. I woke up late this morning. I didn't feel in my eyebrows, so I look weird. Anyways, today is going to be the May Boxycharm unboxing. So let's get right to it, shall we? Also, I got another palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. I'll be showing that too as well today. So very exciting. Okay, so here's Duncan. All packages are not yours, Duncan. Did you know that? No. So this is, theme of this month is Make Waves. And like I probably said before, Boxycharm's $21. But you get a bunch of like full-size products. And if you're so inclined, I'll leave a link down below with my code. I would just get, I think, some charms, some points, so I could get stuff, for free. But it's not very many points. But I'll take what I can get. So this first thing is Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. That's pretty fancy. Let's see if it smells. Hold on. Oh, it is. I can't smell anything. So anyways, says a gentle but bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and I don't know what SLS is free. So this is sells for $28 normally. So right there, this covered the cost of the Boxycharm for this month. Okay, then next we have, this is Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Oh, look at this color. Ciate has those lipsticks that are glitter, so you put them on, you go, oh, like that, and then it's glittery. I don't have them, but I have other ones similar. So this is a cream eyeshadow. So let's do a swatch. But I like this color. Nice. Oh, there's my smeared out. That's fucking fancy. I'll be using that. This for sure, this sells for $22. I like it. This is a Dose of Colors liquid lip. I have never used this brand, but I have heard a lot about them. And so this will be a liquid matte lipstick. And this color is Lost and Jealous. So let's give that a swatch. I'll put it right here. That's a nice color. I'd wear that. So doing great this month. I'm liking everything I got so far. Okay, and then last is, here's a yes, what is it? Oh, it's an eyeliner pencil. It's blue. Can you see it right there? Here, let me do more. It's just a navy blue. The lipstick, Dose of Colors liquid lipstick sells for $18. This eyeliner pencil sells for $14, which I think is crazy because this ain't no Urban Decay. But I'll go with it. And then this last one is Alomar Colorette Blush Trio. Gotta peel the thing. So I don't know that I would wear these because it's the middle one probably, but the orangey ones, that's some orangey stuff. This must be for the Fairlight. Here, let me swatch it. They're very soft though. This is the first color, which is Castaway. orangey. I'm more of a cool tone person. I mean, I can wear whatever. This is Pariso. I'll put that right there. Right there. And then the last one is Scorcher. Put that up here. So, you know, I don't know. I might end up giving this away. Because I have other stuff that, you know, I already use that I like better. I don't always wear blush. Because my face is perpetually red, usually red anyway, so I don't need to put blush on it. So that's everything in this month's Boxycharm. All in all, it's a great box. I like most everything, and I'll probably use most everything. I might even use this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser tonight to wash out my half-ass makeup job. So let's get into this other one. This is Menagerie Cosmetics, and I've been wanting to try them because I always see them on Instagram, on my Instagram. I'm sort of feel weird about showing this because they're going to discontinue this palette, but there might be some left, so if you really want one, jump on that shit. Oh, they're from Washington. Nice. So they wrapped it very well. That's nice. So they really wrapped it good. I like that. They aren't messing around. So obviously I'm gonna have to use a knife here. Like my knife. I don't think we'll be doing the wheel this week because Mark has a work thing and I'm tired because I was up too late last night. This is the Dragon Child eyeshadow palette. So they have one called Feral, which is pretty cool, but since this one was being discontinued, I was like, I better jump on it because, you know, FOMO. So there's the colors in the Dragon Child. Ooh. I want to swatch them, but okay, I'm going to swatch them on my arm. What are you doing? So this shade right here is called Lucky. I'm just wipe on my pants. This one's Myth or Legend. Oh, it's nice. I'm washing these jeans anyway, so I don't give no shits. Quit chewing on packaging material, Duncan. This one is Dragon Child. That's nice. This one is Sleeping Dragon. I like these. Now I want to buy the other palettes. Oh, I got stuff on my... Oh my god, really? Well, you know what? I'm just going to go with it. We'll have a paper towel. I was like, what did I do to myself? That's because that lip stuff did not dry yet. So that's something to know. You know, you get what you pay for here at Carol Sale Action Plan. Okay, next color is Stone Drake, which is a cool lavender-ish, but almost matches my checkerboards on my tattoo. Next will be Firefly. Let's put that on top here. Ooh, that's a nice bright yellow, shimmery gold. I can't believe I did that. So unprofessional. This one is Flame Tongue, which I put right here. Sometimes I go to work and I still have swatches on my hand. Okay, this next one is Dragon Rider. Dragon Rider. There's a cool light blue. I should have been better prepared, but I just want to do this and then get myself ready for tomorrow and go to bed because I was up way too late last night. Ooh. This one is Smoke 'em Out. It's a gray, could be a good transition color. This one is Cafe, I thought it said Cafe Dweller. It says Cave Dweller. put that right in the middle here. It's kind of like a slatish gray, dark towards purple maybe. This one is called Worm, W-Y-R-M. That's going right here. Give that another pass. See, I need Mark to be my swatch guy because he doesn't have a lot of tattoos on his forearms. He just have to shave his forearm. And the last color is Mother Dragon. That's right here. I can't wait to play with this. Now I'm torn. Should I do this tomorrow or should I do the new Uma Beauty one? I don't know. I guess we'll find out what I'm going to wear. And maybe I'll film it. If I get enough sleep, I'm going to do that. So again, excuse my hot ass mess today. I'm exhausted. But thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you very soon. Have a great night.